My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Rocklee. Rocklee is a new ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Rocklee ransomware it decrypts files and it is not possible to use them anymore. My video, however, is strictly for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware in my video. I will just show you the negative and the damaging effect of this ransomware on your files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, it is clear that you are able to open any of your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rocklee ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And then very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware can be found by a special process in the task manager. Typically, you will see a process with a long random name, and it will consume a lot of CPU resources, by the way. To stop this ransomware from doing its malicious job, you need to access the task manager, find this process, and then choose the option to end its task. But very often it may be too late, and the ransomware may do its malicious job and still encrypt the files. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware, called Rocklee, changes the desktop background, and it also appends this Rocklee extension to the file names. It's impossible to use the files. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. You can remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then the application will be in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections on your system. So after the anti-malware database gets updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which can help you to decrypt the files. You can upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So once again, pay attention to the link in the description to this video. It will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.